How to save WhatsApp View Once photo before it disappears. Someone sent you a View Once photo on WhatsApp and it vanished before you could save it, or you want to make sure you capture it before it disappears forever. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you every legitimate option available in 2026. Step 1. Understand what View Once actually means. WhatsApp's View Once feature is specifically designed so that photos and videos can only be opened one single time before they disappear permanently. Once you close it, it is gone from the chat completely, and WhatsApp does not store it on their servers afterward. Step 2. The only built-in legitimate option WhatsApp gives you is to screenshot or screen record the photo while it is open on your screen. The moment the View Once photo is open, quickly take a screenshot on your device before closing it. On iPhone, press the side button and volume up together. On Android, press the power button and volume down together simultaneously. Step 3. On some devices, WhatsApp blocks screenshots inside View Once content as an added privacy protection. If your screenshot comes out blank or black, try using your phone's built-in screen recorder instead. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right and tap the screen record button before opening the View Once message. On Android, pull down your notification shade and tap screen recorder. Step 4. If the photo has already disappeared before you could save it, check your phone's notification shade. On Android, some devices show a preview thumbnail of incoming WhatsApp photos in the notification before you open them. That thumbnail may still be visible in your notification history under Settings, then Notification History. Step 5. Ask the sender to resend it. This is genuinely the simplest and most reliable solution when a View Once photo disappears before you saved it. The sender can simply open WhatsApp, find the original photo in their gallery, and send it again either as a regular photo or another View Once. Pro tip: if you regularly receive important photos through WhatsApp that you need to keep, ask your contacts to send them as regular photos instead of View Once. View Once is designed purely for sensitive or temporary content, and using it for important images creates unnecessary stress when they disappear before being saved. To recap, screenshot or screen record while the photo is open, check notification history if it already disappeared, and ask the sender to resend if all else fails. Work with what WhatsApp gives you and act fast. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you managed to save your photo. See you in the next one.